Most of us deal with enough stress on a daily basis that we shouldn't need to worry about what to make for dinner. To help make things easier for you, we're sharing a recipe inspired by a few time savers from the freezer aisle. By simply serving these heat and eat favorites together, you'll end up with a feel-good dinner in just minutes. Watch this. The next time you're at the store, pick up a package of frozen breaded chicken tenders and a box of waffles. Any brand will do, and if they're on sale, all the better. While these heat in the oven or in your air fryer, pop a few waffles into your toaster. We want to toast them until they're golden. All that's left to do is top each waffle with some smoky cooked bacon and a few of the chicken tenders before putting another waffle on top. Now you tell me, when was making dinner ever this easy? At the table, put out some honey and maple syrup and let everyone drizzle on their favorites. Everyone who tries this is going to love this tasty combo of flavors. To get the recipe for our bacon and fried chicken wafflewich, check out our website. I know you'll be glad you did.
I love chicken and waffles.
I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we discovered a waffly good way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Open up wide.
So good.